Welcome to our latest video, Excel and its facts, 10 things you didn't know about Microsoft Excel. In the next few minutes, we'll take you through an exciting journey into the world of one of the most used software tools in the world, Microsoft Excel. From its inception and hidden surprises to its widespread popularity and vast capabilities, encompassing tools, and even its surprising role in space exploration and gaming, we have it all covered. So, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the secrets of this fascinating tool. Let's get started, shall we? Did you know that Microsoft Excel, the spreadsheet software we've come to depend on, was officially launched on September 30th, 1985? That's right, it's been a part of our data-driven lives for over 4 decades. Here's another fun fact. Excel, known for its serious number-crunching capabilities, also has a playful side. For instance, there are hidden surprises, or Easter eggs, that you can uncover by pressing certain keys. Try pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus and see what happens. Now let's talk numbers. Excel is the world's most popular spreadsheet software. It's a tool of choice for over 1 billion users worldwide, including businesses, students, and professionals. Excel has truly revolutionized the way we handle data. And it's not just about numbers. Excel's conditional formatting feature can transform your data into a visually enhanced masterpiece, making it easier to analyze and understand. It's like magic at your fingertips. But the magic doesn't stop there. Did you know that there are artists who create stunning artwork using only Excel? Yes, this spreadsheet software is also a canvas for creativity. Now about the name Excel. It's a clever combination of excellent and calculation, perfectly capturing its purpose as a tool for exceptional calculations and data management. And speaking of calculations, Excel 2016 and later versions can handle a staggering 1,048,576 rows and 16,384 columns in a single worksheet. That's a massive playground for your data. With over 400 functions, Excel provides users with an impressive toolkit for data analysis, financial calculations, and more. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your data. But Excel is not all work and no play. You can actually play games like Pac-Man and Sudoku right in your spreadsheet. It's a hidden gem for those moments when you need a fun break from crunching numbers. And finally, did you know that Excel has a role in space exploration? NASA and other space agencies use Excel for mission planning, data analysis, and calculations. So, in a way, Excel is literally out of this world. To sum up, Excel is much more than a spreadsheet software. It's a tool that's been around for decades, it's got hidden surprises, it's the most popular of its kind, it's a magic wand for data, an unexpected canvas for artists, a culmination of excellent and calculation, a behemoth that can handle millions of data points, a Swiss Army knife with over 400 functions, a fun gaming platform, and a tool used even in space exploration. Next time you open Excel, remember it's not just a spreadsheet, it's a world of possibilities. Voiceover, before we wrap up, we'd like to remind you to hit that like button if you enjoyed learning about Excel's amazing versatility. It's a small act that goes a long way in supporting our channel. If you have friends or colleagues who would appreciate this journey through Excel's world of possibilities, don't hesitate to share this video with them. And most importantly, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We have a lot more content coming your way that dives deep into the fascinating world of technology. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more Excel-lent facts.